Hey guys, Max here for IGN News. Microsoft is celebrating the upcoming Lunar New Year by collaborating with artists from China, Taiwan, and Hong Kong to create a one-of-a-kind Xbox One console. Lunar New Year begins February 8th and will ring in the Year of the Monkey. Inspired by the occasion, the 8 designers conceptualized, designed, and fabricated their festive consoles in just 1 month's time. Some of the artists really went wild. Oh, I get it, that's a joke about monkeys. Song Quan Wang of Taiwan transformed the Xbox One into a golden sand ingot, symbolizing endless fortune. Kevin Chu, also of Taiwan, took a more literal approach to the redesign. Chu transformed the Xbox One into a monkey, complete with its own banana controller. Keiku of China took inspiration from Beijing's Forbidden City and its architecture, carvings, and paintings. The stunning design visualizes the tension between power and limits. Tsuyo Chao and Chang Yi Ho encased their Xbox entirely in Lego bricks, building a festive scene with monkeys, fireworks, and lanterns. None of the consoles are actually available to purchase, so you won't be able to play any of the newly announced backwards compatible games, or any games at all on them, unless you steal them. But don't do that. For more on Xbox consoles and monkeys, stay tuned to IGN.